Hi, this is Pradeep Aldo from QSpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students, Sathwika, she has got offered as a software test engineer. She will share how was the training experience in QSpiders and how was the interview process. Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Sathwika. I joined QSpiders in the month of July as an incubation student. My manual testing was taken by Pradeep sir, Niranjan sir and Avinash sir. It helped me to gain a broad knowledge on manual testing because I am not aware of any concepts in that. So it helped me a lot because I get exposure to work on real-time applications because many assignments were given. So it helped me a lot to gain knowledge. And Java was taken by Tejas sir. It was also helped me a lot to gain knowledge on programming and all. And then SQL was taken by Avinash sir, and I'm ongoing with Selenium. It was taken by Revan sir. Even it helped me interest on Selenium because he teach in that manner. He giving assignment on real-time applications and all. It gave me interest on Selenium, and bootcamp and mocks helped me a lot because to understand the concept. By doing bootcamp with teammates, the concept will get printed in my mind. It will be remembered forever in my life, I guess, because it helped me a lot. Then mock ratings also, it helped me to add it to the requirement. Since I am an incubation student, but equal opportunity was given to me. There is no partiality in that. HR keep on adding to the requirement because I had very good mock rating here. Then I didn't lose hopes. Thank you.
Very good, all the very best.
Thank you, sir.